What? It's your girl Jazz, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, you guys, I will be doing a hair tutorial on these jumbo Senegalese twists. Yes, this is my first time ever attempting to do these. I really like the way they came out. If you do, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Turn on your post notifications, that way you're notified every single time that I post. And make sure you follow me on all social media networks. We're gonna get right into this video of this look. Let's go. Alright, beauty, so we're coming with a little voiceover for the video. You guys like my little Christmas sweater? Baby bump in action. Anyways, we're gonna get right into this video. So this is the hair that I'm using. You really can use any type of braiding hair as long as it's pre-stretched. I'm showing you guys here that it is pre-stretched. So the products are some edge control or gel. I have some moisturizing lotion and some black castor oil. You'll need rubber bands, a bristle brush, not paddle. Also, you'll need something for them edges, boo, them edges. Y'all don't mind me, I was having a little bit too much fun over there listening to my girl Queen. But anyways, I'm showing you guys my hair is already parted. I parted my hair the day before this video because, as you guys know, I am pregnant and I do get tired fast. So I did a couple of twists off camera just to make sure that I have the hang of it. And now I'm just gonna go in and show you guys my routine. So first I did just put on the moisturizing lotion. Now I am going in with my Eco Styler gel or edge control, whatever you guys would like. You split the part in half and you take the base of the pre-stretched hair and you stick it in between the two that you separated. This right here is called the rubber band method. It's actually a new rubber band method that I discovered on YouTube. This rubber band method that you guys are seeing is supposed to be a lot better than the previous method that I used in one of my videos. It's supposed to cause less tension to your hair, especially around the edges. But anyway, now you're going to split your hair in half with the braiding hair. And you have to cover up your hair. My hair isn't really blown out in this video, so if you have blown out hair, this process might be a little bit easier, or flat ironed hair, it'll be a lot easier. So the trick to keeping your hair in the twist is to twist each piece of braiding hair the opposite direction and twist around each other. So I'm putting it in slow motion so you guys can see what I'm talking about, because it's very hard to explain. As you can see, I'm twisting each piece in the opposite direction and then I twist it around each other. That's gonna help the twist hold. Also, I'm adding gel because, like I said, my hair really wasn't as blown out as I needed it to be. So that's gonna help my hair stay within the twist as well. And I am burning the ends of my hair, not a lot, just a little bit to keep the twist in place. I want this style to stay for a little while, but you guys don't have to burn the end. As long as you twist it all the way down to the end, you'll be okay. But me, I just want to make sure that thing's secure, okay? So I'm going in with the next piece. I'm just showing you guys a repeat of what I've already done. Split the hair in half, put the rubber band around your hair and pull it to secure it, not too tight. Hide your hair underneath the braiding hair and then start twisting in the opposite direction and twist around. Like I was saying earlier, your girl pregnant. She be getting dehydrated. My arms were sore, tired. But like I was saying, once you get the hang of this, it's very easy. It's a really, really easy hairstyle. And it's very light because it is the braiding hair. But when you twist braiding hair, it becomes very, very light. I have gotten box braids before, and I feel like the box braids were very heavy, but I did this style just because I wanted something light on my head, feathery and stylish. Anybody can do this hairstyle, I'm telling you guys. Anybody can do this hairstyle. I watched a YouTube video on this hairstyle, one video, you guys, and I was able to do this hairstyle. So, and I had to show you guys because it's so cute. But like I said, right here I am twisting the hair and then twist around each other. I'm gonna do a little close-up so you guys can see how the twist is coming out. Ooh, juicy curl. Yeah, that's a juicy curl right there. Anyway, so here's the close-up I was telling you guys. And at the end, I did have to split the hair a little bit because at the beginning point, before you actually do the rubber band method, you have to make sure the hair is even. The braiding hair is even before you wrap your hair around it and put the rubber band on there. So at the end, I just ended up having to split it, but that's no problem. So I know you guys are wondering, all in all, this hairstyle took me about an hour and a half. I did have to get up, go pick my son up from school, but I did time and it was about an hour and a half. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. If you did, make sure you guys like this video, okay? Comment down below if you guys love it like I do. Anyways, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time that I post, and I hope you're feeling your girl Jay.